In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download OVO. By the end, you'll know exactly which app to look for and how to get it safely on your Android device using the Google Play Store. Before we begin, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and that you're signed into a Google account on your device. It also helps to have a bit of free storage space so the download can complete without interruptions. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. The icon looks like a multicolored triangle. If you see the Play Store loading for a moment, that's normal. It's just refreshing your app catalog. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type OVO, Dompet Digital. Entering the full name helps you get the most accurate result, especially if there are similar apps with lookalike names. As you type, you might see suggestions. Choose the one that matches exactly, then proceed to the results page. On the results page, look for the official OVO app titled OVO, Pay, Transfer, and Invest. This is the key detail to confirm you're selecting the correct app. You should see the familiar OVO branding, typically with a clean, purple-themed icon. To be extra sure you've got the right one, glance at the app's rating, the number of downloads, and the featured screenshots. Established apps usually have substantial download counts and consistent branding. Avoid apps that sound similar but don't match the full title or look off-brand. Once you've located OVO, Pay, Transfer, and Invest, tap Install. The app is free to download. You may see a brief permissions preview, which is standard for any financial or utility app. It outlines what the app needs to function properly. After you tap Install, a progress bar will appear. Depending on your internet speed, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Using Wi-Fi can make the process faster and help you conserve mobile data. While it's installing, try to keep your device awake and avoid switching to other heavy apps to prevent any hiccups. When the installation completes, the Install button will switch to an Open button, and you'll see the app added to your home screen or app drawer. That's it! You've successfully downloaded OVO from the Google Play Store. If you found this helpful, feel free to replay any part to follow along at your own pace. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly installed OVO app.